Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with the Week 7 lecture video. Sorry about the delay. I usually get an opportunity to push these out Wednesday or into Thursday. However, it's been a busy grading week. I do have several first drafts to get through sometime today on Friday the 4th. So look for those comments and feedback in Blackboard attached to the document there. And just a reminder, I put this out the other day. That is a two-part process. You give me the document upload that I will review and issue the first draft assignment grade. And then also the second part is to head over to the discussion board and post your draft here along with writing your peer report. Several people who have uploaded a first draft to the assignment have not completed the discussion board activity. So remember, the draft must be attached to your report as your initial post for this discussion board. And then you are required to write 2 peer reviews. Instructions are included in the discussion board. So I want to make everyone aware of this two-part process. You cannot participate in the peer review process unless you post to the board and take part of the activity. Remember, you have to post the first draft in order to get credit for peer reviews. Please take a note of that. One thing I do want to cover, and I'm going to get to the weekly modules here, and let's go to week number 7 module. All right. Once again, I have many videos out here and included in the module that serve as resources about using and citing sources. How to set up an MLA document. It's important. How to format your works cited page is important. All of these are requirements in the research essay assignment, both first draft and second draft. The final draft, even a nice video on how to build quote sandwich and build a context around your quoted material, your paraphrase material. All right, I'm not going to run through the the assignment for the first draft. One thing I do want to point out, and I think everyone can benefit from really reviewing the resources here in Blackboard, that is why they're here, is the 4 principles of citation. How to introduce your source information, whether it's a paraphrase or a quote. I need to know who the speaker is. Where does it start? Nothing is worse than that, what I call a naked quote. All I see is a couple of a quotation mark and then the quote, and I have to wait and figure out at the end if there is a reference, an in-text reference there. So you should always introduce your quotes. I give examples here on starting and ending points for your source material. Looking at page numbers, several people are using APA style citation, which is author and date in text, but yet they're giving me a works cited or an MLA citation in the works cited page. You must be consistent. Doesn't matter to me which one you use. So if you're using APA, which is author and date in text, you should have an APA citation, 2 different formats. Conversely, if you use MLA, which is author and page, or if your source is unpaginated, you can use just the author. But nonetheless, there must be a correlation here with the works cited page. This is the cross-reference. If I see a name in text, I need to see that name in the works cited page. This is really an important factor of the research essay. Please take the time to review this section. One thing I do want to hop over to is take a look at the last discussion board of this 8-week semester. And this is exercise 5.1 in the textbook. This is where you can certainly use a document that you have, your draft, your first draft, and highlight where your source information is located in the draft and where you are an active author. And what this activity is designed to do is to demonstrate whether you need more source information to support your research topic, or you might have to generate a little bit more content on your own instead of relying on source information. Gives a brief example of a page here. Take a look at the instructions in the discussion board. In the past, I have had many students, scroll down here, I've had many students comment on how this particular activity helps them balance their research essay drafts between the they say and what you say. So I think it's really, really an important activity as we go into next week. Be aware of due dates. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.